So this is now a video about how to test the pool for pH and for chlorine levels. Okay, in order to do this you're going to need a testing kit. Here we go, there's one there, and in this you see we've got a bunch of tabs. Here's one I've taken out earlier. This is quite straightforward. Take it over to the pool. You dunk it in the pool, you leave it there for a few seconds, you take it out again, and then you leave it for 15 seconds. Okay, so we go back to our testing kit, and you can start to see that the various tabs are changing colour to indicate the levels of chemicals that are in the pool. So you see here, it's pretty arbitrary, but we've got the top, which is pH at about 7.2, that's not too bad. We've got the 3 chlorine, which is the second one down, that's a bit low, so that's probably at 0.5. Maybe we could add a bit of chlorine, possibly a bit of shock. It's already got chlorolont in the pool. This one here, we've got alkalinity running a little bit high. Normally if you get your pH right, then your alkalinity is going to adjust itself, so I wouldn't worry too much about that. And we've got stabilizer at the bottom, and that stabilizer colour is about perfect. Okay, so what do we have to do if we're starting to see some anomalous results? Well, first of all, chlorine's the easiest thing. You've got two options. You've either got chloroshock, which is fast acting, put in probably between 10 and 20 small tablets into each skimmer basket, and that will shock the pool to a point at which you'll start to see some movement on the indicator here. Alternatively, you've got chlorolont, which is much slower to burn off, but also to dissolve. But you'd be using chlorolont on a regular basis, so you wouldn't have to shock the pool that often, only to adjust these levels here. For pH levels, you've got pH minus and pH plus, and so it does what it says on the tin. One's going to raise the pH, one's going to lower the pH. And so nearly always you're trying to get the pH a little bit higher, so you're using pH plus. And you should look on the tub for instructions, but normally I work on the basis of about 3 cups put into the pool, and you throw them into the path of the jets so that the powder dissolves quickly. Okay, that's all you have to do with chemicals.